Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete items from your cart in the Notino app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Notino app. And on the bottom you can see this menu bar, and in the middle you have the cart. Go to your cart, and here you can see I have 4 items in my cart. Next to the product's name, here on the right side you can see an X. By tapping on it you can delete the item. Tap on the X and you deleted your item from your cart. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.